is starting. Out he comes. And away she goes.
That's some miss hit, isn't it?
Oh, what a beauty.
Great use.
In the air. It's a short boundary. And it's 6. It was a miss hit, a total miss hit from Dhoni.
Gone back. He's gone straight ahead and he's beaten long off. That is a big hit.
That struck down the ground for 6. And what a way to bring up 100. A captain's innings here from That's well struck. The bottom hand coming into play. What a shot for 6. It went flat. And it went the distance.
Incredible. Here's Bradley. The slower delivery is launched into it, and it's a biggie.
Watch the bounce, Barry, though, haven't you? And a big slog here from Dhoni. He's gone all the way over mid-wicket. And that's what we're talking about, the power from this man. Dangerous player.
He's got 3 overs and 3 balls remaining.
Now's the time, and he's done it.